The last section we're going to cover in the general tutorial is going to be users. So I'll go down here to the users tab so you can take a look. Now what this does is it displays the users that are here, and it allows you to add new users. And one of the great things about WordPress is that you can assign different roles to different people. As you can see right now, there's admin, that's me, and I am set as an administrator in my role. And I'll show you in a minute what the different roles are and what they mean. But this allows you to be able to assign different people different tasks on the website to accomplish different things, and you can give them specific permissions so that they can't go through and do too much. I'll show you if you wanted to add a new user, you could go in here, and what you do is you can generate a username. So let's make one for me. That would be Bo Parker. First name Bo, last name Parker. My email, we'll use a kinetic address since I've used the other. This is doesn't matter. And then what you do is you generate a website. So I'll generate, not a website, a password. I'll generate one for me. How about this? Let's do this. Thinq. Thinq. That'll be my password. Then I can have it send the password to the new user by email, and it'll go to this email, and then I can set the role right here. So roles, what are the different roles? If we look at this document from wordpress.com, it actually shows the different roles. If you need to go back, you can go to this domain right here, and it will show you. But it's important that you set the roles properly. Alright, so the highest level role is an administrator, and they can do anything and everything on the whole site. They're more or less have as much control as they possibly could want. I generally, for you guys blogs, just to let you know, maintain the admin account that's in here that's set up just in case anything happens that you need me to pop back in there and help out, or anything needs to get fixed. That gives me an opportunity to get in there and make those changes. And what I'll generally do is set you up a separate admin account too, so we can track what I did versus what you did. Because if you notice in the posts and in the pages, it'll say who created the content or who edited the content last. All right. An editor can publish, edit, or delete any posts or pages, can moderate comments, can manage categories, manage tags, and links, and upload files and images. But you can see that an editor does not have control over creating or assigning user roles. An author can edit, publish, and delete their posts only, as well as upload files or images to their posts, but they can't do it to all the others. A contributor can create posts and edit posts, but they don't actually publish. They go into a save for review status. So an administrator has to go in and actually approve the post that the contributor put up there. So think about that in terms of what you need people to do. Like if you need somebody to just go in and be able to edit content on different pages, you would want to set them up as an editor. If you want someone to just create new content or new blog posts, you could set them up as an author where that's all they could do. But it allows you to distribute the workload a little bit, so you don't have to do everything yourself. So if we add the user here, and I made me a subscriber, that will come through. I should get an email momentarily. We'll watch for that, and it would have the email in there. The other thing I can do is I can look at my profile, and I can always go back in here and adjust this. For example, if you assign someone a password and they don't like it and they want to change it, they can go to their profile and they can update their password, and they can put in any of this other information in there that they want to. That's pretty much the extent of editing users, and that pretty well wraps up everything we needed to cover for the basics of WordPress.